Students, how are you all? Today I have prepared one worksheet specially for nursery students. So let's start. See, in this worksheet I have covered 1 to 10 numbers. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1. Write the missing numbers. Here we have to write down missing numbers from 1 to 10. First number is 1. Next 2, 3, tell me, then 4, 5, 6, the next one is 7, 8, 9 and 10. Question number 2. Match the same number. Here you have to match the same number. Number 1. So here you have to find out where is number 1. Here. Let's match the number. Use scale and let's match the number. 1. Here we will match. Then number 2. Find out number 2 from here. Here. Correct. The next one is number 3. Find out where is number 3. Here. Number 4. Tell me where is number 4. Correct. And the next and last one is 5. Here is number 5. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our third question is circle the correct number. Here you have to count the object and then circle the correct number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars are here. See here, this is number 2. Here is 4. Here is 3. How many stars are given? 4. So let's circle the 4 number. Second question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Identify where is number 6. Here is 1, here is 5 and here is 6. Circle the number 6. Third one. How many squares are given? 1, 2, 3. Find out where is number 3. Here is number 3. Let's circle. Next. How many balloons are given? 1, 2. Here is number 8, 2 and 5. And correct answer is 1, 2, 2. Let's circle. Now tell me how many triangles are given. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 9, 3, 7. Which is correct one? 7. Let's circle. Number 7. Our next question is trace and color the shapes. Here shapes are given. We have to trace it and then we will give color. This is square, square and it is in green color. Let's give green color. First we will trace. Now give color. This is circle. It's a blue circle. We will trace the circle and give color. Okay. Third is triangle. It's a red triangle. Trace the shape triangle. and we will give color. Next is rectangle. Trace the shape rectangle. It's orange color, so we will give orange color to the rectangle. This question is done. Next question is draw the circles as per the numbers given. First one is number 5. Let's draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, number 3. Draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Next is number 7. Draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Our next question is circle the big object. See here 2 flowers are given. One is small and this one is big. Let's circle the big flower. Here these are 2 leaves. This one is big, this one is small. Let's circle the big leaf. In this question, we have to put tick to the object which is small. See, this is small cup and this is big. So we will put a tick mark to the small cup. Here 2 balls are given. First is big, other is small. So we will put tick mark to the small ball. Now our last question is count the petals and write the correct number. Let's count the petals. 1, 2. We will write number 2 here. Next, how many petals are there to this flower? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the number 4. Here, how many petals are given? 1, 2, 3. Write down number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write number 5. Everybody do practice.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Ding Dong Kids.